Hi guys, good morning, happy Tuesday. Just like normal, we're going to go through our agenda, talk about our I can statement. I'm going to answer a question that I've been getting a lot this past week and yesterday, and then I'm going to send you on your way to do your assignments for today. So today is Tuesday, August 18th. You have 4 assignments due today. The first one is just a video that comes from TN History for Kids. I have embedded it on the next page, so you can just click the play button and watch it here in Canvas. And then you have 2 links to 2 different articles. The first one is called The State We Call Tennessee, and it is about just Tennessee in general, and it talks about the Tennessee state symbols. So yesterday I told you about like the state nickname, the state flag, but there are a ton of Tennessee state symbols that exist, and this article tells you about a lot of them and the history of it. The second one is how state government is set up. So that article tells you about the 3 branches of the Tennessee government, what they are, what they do, who's a part of them. So that article gives really good information about how our government works here in Tennessee. And then finally, you have a reading check to complete, and then you are done for the day. You do have your may do that is optional. You don't have to do that, but you can. And it is Epic Books, same as yesterday. So if you go to the very last page, once you've completed the articles, videos, and the reading check, it has the link for Epic Books. And then once you put in the link, you just click your name off the class list, and you can either read the books I assigned to you, or you can read some of the other books on Epic Books. Our I can statement for today says I can name and describe the 3 branches of the Tennessee state government. And then before I let you go, a question that I have gotten a lot of times is about assignments not working or assignments being grayed out. So on the screen I have an example of what I'm talking about. So this is your module for today. And if you look, the first assignment that says agenda, you can click on. But the other 3, they're gray. You can't click on them. If you look up in this right-hand corner, there's a little button or a notification that says complete all items. That means not only does everything have to be done in this module, but it needs to be done in order. The reason that those are grayed out is because you haven't clicked on the agenda yet. So if you're seeing this, it means that you need to start here. It is letting you click on what you need to start on, and then the rest of them will open up. But I've gotten that question several times. So these modules are meant for you to go in order. I don't want you skipping around. You can't do the reading check if you've not done the reading and watched the videos. That's why they need to go in order, and that's why you need to click them in order and do them in order. Okay, finally, same as always, if you're having trouble with an assignment or you just have a question about something, on the left side of your screen on that green bar, there's a button called Inbox. Click that and you can send me an email, and I can send you an email back and answer your question. Finally, I can name and describe the 3 branches of Tennessee state government. Have a great day, guys, and I will see you tomorrow.